I was wondering, what is this?
What does that mean? PC becomes a bean.
I don't know.
What does that do?
Do you remember having installed anything recently?
This is in Russian. That's a lot of fish.
Let me think.
Wait, what's this?
Is this-
What is this?
You play Fortnite?
Fortnite. It seems like somebody else is like controlling.
Okay, do you recognize this? HK and...
No.
PC becomes a bean in 8 minutes. Just one moment. Did you click on any links or anything like that recently?
Oh, Fortnite 2? Yeah, Fortnite 2.
Probably a couple, yeah.
I'm kind of in a shock.
Can you hear it?
Yes.
Do you want me to schedule an appointment for you to go to the store?
How much more can it take?
This is the computer that belongs at the bottom of the sea.
Never before seen viruses.
피자를 주문하다.
It's multiplying.
I forgot all this happened. Oh, something just ran.
How could it possibly go any further?
You can't go wrong with the classics, you know?
One final boss virus.
Oh, what the heck?
The ultimate 25,000 Beans Virus 2.0. My own custom virus written by my unpaid computer science intern.
They're actively trying to hack me. Thousands of them.
But also with help from the gravitational pull of Kitboga's brain.
Everything looked normal.
Self-growing, self-downloading, never-ending stream of bean. Why? Just because it's kind of funny.
This laptop is the closest thing the world has ever seen to a sentient AGI walking around computer. I was gonna run into Walmart the other day and this thing stopped me and told me it would prefer to shop at Target. Took it to a buffet and just like everybody else, dude, it went to the cobbler, scraped off the top, and just left the mush at the bottom. I gave it some chewable Flintstone vitamins. It swallowed them whole. Bro, it was microwaving some popcorn. And it just let it beep. It didn't even open it 1 second. It just let it beep like a psychopath. I spent about 4 days returning it to its current state here. I think password is password. That was it. Like, honestly, I didn't intend on the butterflies coming back, which appears like a nice standard installation of Windows with nothing wrong with it, but it's not. It's not at all.
You see, this time, instead of just clicking spam links in my email for 3 hours and downloading Russian knockoffs of Fortnite,
Playing Fortnite.
Fortnite Master, I did still do that.
I like this one. It makes me think of Live, Laugh, Love. Russian custom cursor. Look how big it can. This is my mouse cursor.
But also spent days and days meticulously crafting the viruses together.
This is Jared. We'll make the mouse cursor get increasingly larger, but then it just really goes downhill.
Into one big mega virus.
I'm the unpaid intern science team.
See, it doesn't just drop the tech support agent into the middle of Roach Royale and Bonsai Buddy. It starts out with just a nice, simple little notification
My name is Ali, and how may I help you?
that the PC is about to become a bean.
I'm having trouble with my computer.
Oh, shoot. You've been following along this whole time because you thought these were how-to videos and now you're in really bad shape with your personal data online? As somewhat of a finale, I do have a solution for you. Delete Me, the sponsor of the video, is offering 20% off to my viewers.
And man, you guys need it. Probably need it just after watching this video.
So every day your personal data is sold online by data brokers, but you have a right to tell them to stop. No, actually, like if you tell them to stop, they have to stop. So your personal data is probably publicly available online. It's because these giant corporations are selling your data, making money off you, which sucks. Literally the day after I was trying to score some free V-Bucks, my identity was stolen. I wish that was a joke. Imagine you're trying to get a job and random data broker 592 says you're Rizless from Ohio. No hiring you. Gotta get that off, brother. I have personally been using Delete Me for about 3 months now. Every month I get a report that shows how many data brokers no longer have my info. Phone numbers, pictures, property values, they just poof. And it's actually extremely satisfying reading the reports. So use my link in the description or use code HOMELESS to get 20% off Delete Me and get a grip on your data. Oh, and did I mention I'm currently actively being hacked?
It's officially live. They're actively trying to hack me. Thousands of them.
Just keep that in mind for later.
Press 1 to install 25,000 Beans virus.
How can I help you today? How may I help you? How can I help?
How may I assist you today?
Starting out, I wanted it to appear totally normal.
I'm having trouble with my computer.
Like I'm just a boomer who forgot my email password.
Yeah, I've tried turning it off and back on. I put it in rice and everything, and it's not doing it. Normally, I select that Yahoo Mail there, and it pulls up my Yahoo.
But selecting that
Here?
Yeah.
Yahoo Mail.
doesn't open Yahoo.
Right, so it's not working.
And they have no idea what they've done.
What does that mean? Is that your thing?
No?
Do you recognize that?
No. What is that?
Normal? Yeah, what is that?
Is that a computer thing? Like it can become a bean?
I'll go ahead and turn off the computer. Just allow me.
And see, then they go for turning off the computer.
We just need to start over.
But I kind of assumed they would do that. So it's all programmed into where it just starts back up right where it left off.
Am I being hacked?
And not at the moment.
Okay.
Just a moment.
Okay.
At around 8 minutes, you get unclosable Subway Surfer pop up.
This is like a game.
Is that your game? You're playing that?
No, it just showed up. Subway Surfer game.
Oh, and apparently, upon restart, there's about a 1 in 5 chance that the butterflies come back
Yes, I'm able to see that.
and the Russian mouse pointers.
What is that?
Try to turn it off and then turn it on again.
That's what I just did, and it popped back up. And there's butterflies. I thought that was like maybe from your thing, like the remote thing.
No.
Okay.
Did it just?
Oh my goodness, that is so loud.
A couple of classics pop up at 7 minutes.
What is that?
Space Cadet Pinball.
Oh my goodness.
And naturally, 3 days until Mario steals your liver.
I'm not
Did you
touching
open
it.
that?
No, I didn't open that.
Okay. All right.
Am I getting
right.
hackeroonied?
Okay, let's do it this way, sir.
Unfortunately, at 6 minutes is where we lost Agent Almhar.
I'm kind of in a shock.
Oh man.
The team leader was in front of me, and they were looking at. They only told me it's getting hacked. Everyone go. Yeah. Please go to the show, and they will be able to help you from the.
Probably good that she got out because it starts to really go downhill.
You play Fortnite?
Yes, I do.
Can you crank 90s? What is that?
Wait.
Is that a
hold
game?
on. What's going on?
Oh, it's Fortnite.
Wait, Fortnite. It says. It seems like somebody.
It says, please insert the Jimmy Neutron CD-ROM.
Jimmy Neutron CD-ROM pop-up is where we lost Agent
I
Sean.
recommend you to check it via Insta appointment.
Computer seems to be quite the odd one.
Okay.
And
It seems like a virus. Something going on.
Oh my goodness. That's a V-Buck. That's a dabbing Roblox character.
Exactly. Wow, it's colorful. Like bugs, a green cursor.
Yeah.
OMG. What? The ladybug's still there. Just one moment.
Why is the mouse changing? So it says PC becomes a bean.
that's what I don't know. I've never really seen this sort of
Agent Jesus was actually doing pretty good, but then he hit 2 minutes, which is where North Korea and Russia come in, so he started losing.
North Korea's in my
That's what they
PC?
want you-
Is my computer gonna be a bean?
No, I don't think so.
Okay.
What
Okay.
is this?
I don't know.
Ad. You're right. Oh,
Oh no.
okay. That's why it's happening here.
Oh no.
It's a virus, sir.
Oh
So
no.
basically,
It says North Korea and Russia are in your PC now. You think they're in there?
wow, I've never seen this multiple ads.
With just moments remaining until the ultimate bean virus fully executed, only Agent Trisha
It's speaking Korean to me.
Really?
and Agent Jesus remain.
What does it say?
It says 3 days until Mario steals my liver.
What the?
Actual lightning struck like 100 yards from my house as Christina left. I don't think that means anything, right?
We just did a hard reset.
I knew what I had to do. I had to go outside and touch grass and talk to a real person.
Let me go ahead and set an appointment for you, shall we?
But not before Kit Boga provided me the true icing on the cake.
It's just a flash drive with pictures on it. There's just a small problem when I go to print them. Right click it, click print.
What is that? Why are we beans? It scans the image, and if there's faces in it, it turns them into a bean. Any picture.
So it brings it up, but it's like,
Oh, what the heck?
yeah, and just any picture you try to print.
That's crazy. I've never seen anything like that. Mason, come check this out. Come check this out.
It's like a bean or something.
He'll go, like, try to print this picture.
Whoa, interesting. It's really weird.
Yeah. You see anything like that?
But then that virus triggers the original virus, which I modified to only take 3 minutes.
My thinking would be to try, yeah.
PC becomes a bean in 3 minutes.
Oh no.
That's crazy.
3 days until Mario steal your liver.
Oh my goodness. What is that?
Virus.
It's like a game or something? Like Fortnite?
Fortnite.
Y'all fix a lot of them like this?
Haven't seen one this bad. Devin, whenever you're done, come look at all this.
It says becomes a bean. What does it do?
I don't honestly know.
That's Spider-Man?
Yeah, with the pizza.
It's about to become a beam. The counter is almost done. North Korea's back, and the screen starts jabbing itself with this thing.
It's like one of the coolest viruses I've ever seen.
Maybe like my little brother did this.
That could be a possibility.
Oh my gosh, this is like...
Check this out.
Oh shoot.
Close the space cadet. We only got 20 seconds.
Hold on,
Let me go ahead and set an appointment for
Can
you.
I just turn it off and back on?
Oh no!
Oh no.
피자를 주문하다. 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 피자를 주문하다.
Oh my goodness.
What did it say?
It just turned into a bean.
Oh my
this is impossible.
It turned into a bean?
That's what it said.
It will open up to about 10 million beans.
Goodness gracious.
Oh my goodness.
That Korean Spider-Man.
I honestly don't even know where to start.
There's so much being on it. Being on the screen.
It just keeps popping up.
Keeps watching Fortnite.
Oh my. That's crazy.
That's computer's a bean. It's crazy.
How far do you think it'll go with the like millions?
So I was actually finally hacked.
Dude. So it's happening.
10 minutes after I reopened the IP address.
Somebody was literally waiting all of this time.
And he politely asked to not share any info about him, so I literally just can't prove to you that it's real. So how long did it take you total?
Probably like 30 seconds. So I used a thing called changedetection.io. I just echoed I was here, then my username to howdy.txt.
I was thinking it would take like a week. All he asked for was that this website be shouted out. So thank you to this anonymous man for the hacking. The laptop survived, and it's holding a grudge against me. I can't know for sure, but I think I have to go nuclear. I've purchased 25 million viruses, and I think I'm in possession of every known virus. I must finish this by installing all of them. It's coming. Gotta go.